How to use Plarium points in Raid Shadow Legends. Now, Plarium points is pretty much accumulated depending on how many you have. So, you don't technically use it, it becomes used automatically. So, if you go ahead to your Plarium points program, which is found here in the left, basically here, you should be able to see that this is where your Plarium points go. So, you can get it over here in the Plarium points pack. This one needs purchase. You can get it in their website, advanced quests, playtime rewards, or events. So as you can see, we get Plarium points from different categories or different sections from the game. So if you go ahead and choose over here, let's say the warm-up card, we'll be able to see that if we get 50 Plarium points over here, we'll be able to get this reward over here, which is 250 energy. If we get 200 Plarium points, we can get 25 diamonds, and so on. And once we finish this warm-up card, we'll be going to the champion and basically this little section over here. So once we finish that as well, we'll go to artifacts and accessories. So it's automatically used once you get those Plarium points. But anyways, that's pretty much how you use Plarium points in game. You can find it in events. Sometimes the events does give Plarium points. You can find it in your playtime rewards over here, the 2 hour mark, and in some other ways like the web, or you can purchase it. But hopefully the information of this video can help you, and if it can, please like and subscribe for more videos like this, and that's all.